In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a sheet in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this step by step so you know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to avoid deleting the wrong thing. By the end, you'll be comfortable removing sheets you no longer need from your workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and you're on the main dashboard. At the top or left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation option labeled Browse. Go ahead and click on Browse. This area is where Smartsheet organizes your workspaces, folders, and individual sheets, so it's the best place to manage and clean things up. Once you're in the Browse view, you'll see a list of workspaces. A workspace is basically a container that holds related sheets, reports, and dashboards for a particular project, team, or client. Take a moment to locate the workspace that contains the sheet you want to delete. When you've found it, click on that workspace to open it. This will display all the items stored inside, including the sheet you're planning to remove. Now that you're inside the correct workspace, look through the list of items and find the specific sheet you want to delete. It's a good idea to double check the sheet name here, and if you're unsure, you might want to open it in another tab first, just to confirm it's the right one. Once you're confident, return to the workspace view and select that sheet by clicking on it once. The sheet should now be highlighted, indicating that it's the active item you're working with. With the sheet selected, look for the Actions option. This is usually found in a menu bar or as a button above the list of items in the workspace. Click on Actions to open a drop-down menu. This menu gives you different options for managing the selected sheet, such as moving it, renaming it, or in our case, deleting it. In the Actions menu, find and click on Delete. Smartsheet may prompt you to confirm that you really want to delete the sheet. Read the message carefully, because deleting a sheet can remove all of its data for everyone who has access to it. If you're absolutely sure, confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, the sheet will be removed from the workspace, and you're done. That's all it takes to delete a sheet in